Zora has her treat ball. There's a treat in her ball.
Treat ball?
Yeah. You can put like food and stuff in it.
Where did you get it from, the guy?
No, pet store. Petco, I think. Zora. She knows there's something in there.
Can't get it with my paws, I'll get it with my nose. It's coming out.
No.
It won't come out?
It will if she gets it right. She's trying to chew it.
Yeah.
This is a tough chew toy though, so it should be okay. It's one of those ones that are meant for like strong chewers. Go get it. Oh, did you give up? Well, don't give up. Zora. There it is. I see it.
Did you get it?
No.
No. After the camera.
Oh, look, it's sticking out. Oh my gosh, Zora. You almost have it. Zora. Zora. Look. Zora. Look. No, not at me. Look. Oh, you knocked it back in. Oh.
She knows it's in there.
Yeah, she can smell it, I guess. Oh.